Hi, we're Nat and David. We're here to tell you about Chapter 3.
All lines have a slope. Slope can be found using the formula y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. Some lines have no vertical or horizontal change. If the line is parallel to the x-axis, its slope is 0. If the line is parallel to the y-axis, its slope is undefined. There are 3 ways to write a linear equation. We're going to go over 2.
If we're given a line where we know exactly where it crosses the y-axis and we also know its slope, we can write it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals m, which is the slope, times x plus b, which is the intercept.
If we're given 2 points on a line, we can write the equation in point-slope form, which is y minus y1, which is the y-coordinate of a point, equals m, which is the slope, times in parentheses x minus x1, which is the x-coordinates of a point. Using this, we can reduce and get an equation in slope-intercept form.
The trickiest part of the chapter is finding the distance between 2 parallel lines. Here, we have 2 parallel lines. The shortest distance between them is the line perpendicular to them. We need 2 points to find this distance. To start, let's take one of the points we already have. Next, we have to find the equation of the line perpendicular to the parallel. To find the second point, we set the equations equal to each other and solve. Finally, we use the 2 points we found in the distance formula. Exterior angles are on the outside of the parallel lines, angles 1, 2, 7, and 8, while interior angles are inside, angles 3, 4, 5, and 6. Angles are opposite when they are on different sides of the transversal. Angles are consecutive when they're on the same side.
The first pair of angles we're going to look at are alternate exterior angles. They are outside the parallel lines and are on opposite sides of the transversal. They are congruent. The theorem which shows this is called the alternate exterior angles theorem. The next pair we'll look at are alternate interior angles. They are on opposite sides of the transversal, but are inside the parallel lines. The alternate exterior angles theorem states that these angles are also congruent. Another pair of congruent angles are corresponding angles. We can see that the transversal forms 2 sets of angles. Angles are corresponding if they are on the same side of the transversal and are on the same side of their respective parallel. Finally, we're going to look at consecutive interior angles. They are inside the parallels and are on the same side of the transversal. They form a linear pair. This is stated in the consecutive interior angles theorem.